Hey folks, I've been kind of busy with putting up some new content, but I wanted to give you an update on some stuff that you might want for your action cameras. I picked up a GoPro and its corresponding Sandmark B&D and the MediaMod. So I made a little piece that you can use to put your B&D on. It doesn't fall out. The Osmo Action with a Digital Concepts B&D, so same thing. Screws right into the thing and you can use it with your camera gauges and your mic input. I modified the handle for Heges, made it two-handed, that's the first thing. So you can scan in whichever direction you want. The same iPhone 11 cases here, but on the back I've made a iPhone 5s SE adapter, so you can actually use that cheap phone as a receiver, which you can do in Heges. We tested it on the iPhone 5s, and that is the cheapest way. You don't have to spend on a studio monitor like I did for the original one. Get subscribed because I am planning some content pieces around some of this new hardware.